Morning everybody, this is Muhammad Ubaidullah Shamsi and today I am to talk to Mr. Shailendra Chaudhary. Dr. Shailendra Chaudhary is a prominent radiologist of Giridih and he has determined himself to fight the incoming election from Jambua legislative area. Let's talk to Mr. Shailendra Chaudhary and through him try to know why he has decided to fight the election. Dr. Sahab, you are welcome.
Thank you, and Sadat Pranam to people from all over the Jambua.
Sir, you are a prominent doctor. You have been practicing very well for years. Why have you decided to fight the election?
Actually, while working and while dealing with the patient, I come to the conclusion that most of the patients are coming to me due to drinking unpure water or eating the food which he should not eat. And lots of the problem he came to me, lots of the patient came to me with head injury, and that head injury is due to the poor road condition. So what I think, we should work over the doctor. We should work ahead. We should work for the people who is suffering. How to pure water to give, how to good food is give, how to good nutrition it should be given, and how to the all type of this corruption should be deal with the corruption, so that the people will get fair and fine prashasan or administration from all over the Jambua and all over the Jharkhand.
Sir, do you visit Jambua time to time and do you meet to the people of that area?
Yes, I have visited many times to Jambua and I found there was lack of a scarcity. The people are suffering from the disease which should be limited, which should be cured and which should be treated at the Jambua level, like dysentery, diarrhea, malaria. These all diseases should be treated at Jambua level. But the people from Jambua has to run to far from Jambua like Giridih and Ranchi due to this short disease. So what I want to provide a good facility of health, good facility of education, so that the people from Jambua doesn't need to go anywhere outside of the Jambua. Everything I will provide in Jambua.
Sir, you have talked about education. How important do you think the education is, and are you satisfied with the present academic standard of the education, especially in Jambua and especially in government schools?
In government school, teachers are very good and they are talented and they are qualified, but they are given lot of unnecessary work by the department and by the government. What I think, when you have appointed the teacher for teaching the student, just you take the teaching work from the student. The other work should be done by other. Since the government is involving the teacher in the other work, so the education work and education is going to be suffer due to this involvement of the teacher other than the teaching work.
Sir, time to time the news of corruption come before we all, what is your view on corruption?
Actually, what I think, corruption is the mother of poverty of our state and our Jambua. I will explain why. Due to the corruption, the people from the outside doesn't want to come to Jharkhand and invest there. And people from Jharkhand, businessmen from Jharkhand, who is doing the business, who is providing the employment, they are also crushed by the government and government officials. What my idea, if I will get the power, if I will get the opportunity, I will make sure that the official go to the employer and ask him what I should do, so that you can increase the number of employment, you can give the more and more employment. What should government should do for you, so that you can increase the number of employment. Suppose someone is giving 100 employees, the government official should go to the businessman and ask him what I should do so that you can give the 100%, so that you give the employment of 100%. But in Jharkhand it's not there. The businessmen are crushed by the government due to the lot of unnecessary law and regulation, and the regulatory authority is harassing the businessman. And the businessman will not come, the property is not going to be vanished from Jharkhand or anywhere from the Jammu.
All right, let's now talk about your aim, which is to fight the election. Is it clear that you are going to fight the election?
It's clear, but I am going to fight the election. But only when the party will give me the opportunity, party will give me the party single, and he will make me the candidate for the Jammu legislative seat.
All right, thank you for talking with us. It was Dr. Shailendra Chaudhary. He is a prominent social worker, and he is a very, very famous radiologist of Giridih. He has determined, or he has decided to fight the election from Jammu legislative, area. But there is a saying about this particular decision, that he has said that if party BJP will give him the ticket to fight from Jammu, only then he will fight the election. If not, he will serve the people of that area as he is serving nowadays, in future also. Thank you very much.